When Kerala's veteran Congress leader Umman Chandi visited Puthupalli on September 17, the day when he completed his 50 years in Kerala State Assembly, he was in his usual self. He exuded the same vim and vigor seen in him 50 years ago when he was in Puthupalli constituency to contest the assembly election for the first time. That day, before going to give the nomination, Chandi had gone to Puthupalli St. George Church to seek the chief priest's blessings. This day also he went there for the blessings and took part in the mass. Only after that he travelled to different parts of his constituency to receive warm reception arranged by Congress party workers. Dressed in spotless white khadi shirt and dhoti and sporting uncombed greying hair, he was seen coming in his KL 33B 145 numbered Innova car. When the vehicle came to a halt in front of Puthupalli church, it was 6 in the morning. Then he walked up to the church cemetery where his forefathers were laid to rest. For about 15 minutes, he spent there in silence and prayer. By this time, the party workers had started milling around the church. Braving COVID restrictions, the people of Puthupalli also reached the church to greet their Kunyu Kunyu, the name fondly called by his relatives and Puthupalli natives. Next, he walked to the church to take part in the mass. The prayer session extended for about 1 hour. When he came out of the church holding his son Chandi Umman's hand, there was a big crowd on the church premise, which gave the feeling of a feast day. Many vied among themselves to present him shawls and gifts. Having accepted the expressions of love, Chandi next headed towards his family house at Karotu Vallagalil. He met all those who were waiting for him with a warm and friendly smile. From there, he started his journey through all panchayats in his constituency. The first reception he had was by the side of Mannarkadu bypass road near Puthupalli junction. Umman Chandi has an emotional attachment to this place. It was here 50 years ago his election campaign was inaugurated by the then Union Minister Fakhruddin Ali Ahmad. Fakhruddin Ali's visit was at short notice. The party workers got into a tizzy. Within hours they had to arrange seats, pandal or canopy, and sufficient people to listen and applaud the minister's speech. It was then an instant decision was taken to choose the front yard of Puthan Pidiga Tharavadu as the venue. This ancestral house stood on a sprawling land and there was sufficient chairs and tables inside the house. People from different parts of Kerala flocked to the spot after coming to know that a union minister was coming here. Thus finally the party workers were able to rise to the occasion and give a warm and pompous reception to the minister. Perhaps the spirit of this event may have heralded Chandi's entry into the assembly. That ancestral house was later demolished and now a shopping complex stands in its place. This down-to-earth former Chief Minister of Kerala once again was an embodiment of simplicity and humility when he said this to Puthupalli natives. I won all these assembly elections only because the party allowed me to contest repeatedly. Therefore, nothing is my ability. I am just a beneficiary. Near the venue, a Puthupalli native called Premraj arranged a special cake of 50 feet on a table to represent 50 years of his life as an MLA. Some old and new photos that had captured some significant moments in his life during this period were also exhibited along with it. Only after cutting the cake and distributing it among the people around did he leave for the next reception venue at Nyaliyakuri in Vagathanam Panchayat. By the time he arrived to attend the meeting at Maman Mapla Hall, he had completed his visit to all 8 panchayats. News Desk, Kaumudy English.